Smoky.
Whiz it too fast.
Oh, it's another one of those. Strontium fountain. Oh, it's a baby firework. Oh, any minute now. Oh, there we go. Ooh, okay. Big child.
Oh,
Oh,
get mummy!
wow. Oh, really? Or has it just changed colour?
Just change colour.
That's cool.
Tapping wheels normally do.
Do they? Didn't in my day. Another potassium. Oh my god. Oh. This is another snowfield. Doesn't look like snow, but ooh, blimey. This is tungsten. This is called fuchsia. Looks the same as all the others. That one's struggling a little bit there. Oh, hang on. No, that's it. It's another strontium. think I called it. Right, this is another Valium. Last one of the night, apparently. Oh! Oh! And this is the last one of our first firework display. Oh! I'm going to get showered.
Whoa! Heads up!
And that was it. Bonfire night 2008. I forgot to mention that's our little bonfire. Well, our fire pit, but it's like a bonfire, only smaller. Oh, and there we have the last of our sparklers.
Sparkly.
Oh. Try and keep it in the camera. Is that it? Or have you got another one
I
there?
have one more.
Okay, then light it up. Oh, look at that effect, look. Oh, I missed it. This is actually the last firework of the night. And we're going to retire for hot dogs.
Hot dog.
And a beer. Another one of those fireworks. Oh, that's mine gone. Nope. Not very good for this camera.
What you should have done, you'd have to invest in a tripod. You should have set the camera up on the tripod, just press record.
Yeah. Oh. Just found another firework. Last of the Catherine wheels.